Fast color correction using auto color, auto levels, and auto contrast in After Effects. Adobe After Effects includes 3 useful automatic color correction effects: auto color, auto levels, and auto contrast. They're quick fixes for balancing footage without needing to manually grade every shot. Auto levels. Go to Effect, Color Correction, Auto Levels. Adjust settings in the Effect Controls panel. Temporal Smoothing tells After Effects how many frames to analyze for consistency. Higher equals smoother but slower. Blend with Original lets you mix between corrected and original footage. Clip Black and White prevents extreme clipping of highlights and shadows. Best use case: fixing video that looks flat or lacking contrast. Good for shots where the lighting is uneven. Auto Color combines features of auto levels and auto contrast. Normalizes overall color balance while adjusting black and white points. Tries to neutralize color casts, e.g., blue from fluorescent light, orange from tungsten. Adjust temporal smoothing, black and white clip, and blend with original. You can tweak shadow tint and highlight tint if available to lock a look. Auto contrast. Similar to auto levels, but adjusts all channels equally, not separately. Ensures blackest and whitest pixels match full range, but without color shifts. Adjust temporal smoothing and blend with original as needed, when you want to fix exposure and contrast without affecting color balance. Safer than auto levels if you want to avoid weird tints. Key settings, common across all 3. Temporal smoothing. How many frames AE uses to average adjustments. Higher values reduce flicker in clips with changing brightness. Use 0 to 5 for static lighting. Use 10/20+ for flickery footage. Blend with Original lets you dial down the effect strength, good for subtle corrections. Black clip and white clip defines how much of darkest and lightest pixels are ignored. Default 0.5% prevents crushed blacks or blown out whites.